I just wanna stay in bed with my paper and pen in my hands. I'm in love with... Good morning, beautiful people. My name is Jackie, and today I'm going to show you all my morning routine when I'm dealing with stress and anxiety. I am super excited because usually when I'm feeling really down and stressed, I like to incorporate a lot of Hygge concepts into my morning and basically my life. If you don't know what Hygge is, it is basically a Danish and Norwegian word for a mood of coziness and comfortable feelings of wellness and contentment. And I did live in Denmark for about 5 months, so I definitely did feel that cozy and warm feeling, especially during the winter time. It is fall now, winter soon, and yeah, I'll go ahead and take you along with me, so I hope you all enjoy. This video is also a collaboration with my friend It's Faith Time here on YouTube, so go ahead and check her out. She has her evening routine for dealing with stress as well. Alright, let's get started. Alright everyone, so right now it is, as you can see on my phone, 9:01. I actually woke up at 6:30 today, and I just did all my hygienic things like shower, brush my teeth, all of that. But I'm really starting my morning routine right now with eating breakfast in bed and being comfy. I don't normally do this because I usually eat, with my husband right now, but I have work later on today, so I'm gonna enjoy my morning. This is what I made, and I'm gonna try to be very neat. But I have some protein pancakes and some peanut butter, and then I have my lemongrass tea, which is basically my favorite tea in the whole entire world. I'm not even kidding. These pancakes, I'll put the recipe down below. The recipe is from a YouTuber named Linda Sun, and it's very healthy and it's actually really good. Not too much sugar, but the peanut butter gives me a little bit of protein, so it's actually very delicious. Let's go ahead and take a bite of it. My first time having it with peanut butter. It's delicious. I love it. Pancakes can be like, oh my gosh, eating my mouthful. Pancakes can be like a little bit unhealthy because it's like flour, sugar, a lot of maple syrup. So this is definitely a healthier alternative. Alright, I just finished breakfast, and yeah, I'm gonna let my hair dry out as well. And as you can see, I'm wearing a pajama right now. And pretty much pajamas make me feel so cozy. And this is actually from Uniqlo, which is I think it's a Japanese clothing brand, and it's very cozy and comfy. And I recommend, if you want to have that Hygge cozy feeling, try wearing a one-piece pajama instead of wearing like sweatpants and an oversized t-shirt to bed. Sometimes I wear that, I'm not gonna lie, I do wear that sometimes, but this just makes you feel so winter and cozy, and yeah, that's one of my advice. Now I'm gonna go ahead and do my quiet time right now, so I'm gonna go ahead and make the room a little bit darker so it just feels more peaceful. Alright, so this is my favorite way to make my room look, but here are some lights. Okay. Alright, so every morning I don't typically have too much time to relax or exercise or do something to help my mind and my heart. But days like this, I like to use my morning self-care menu. As you can see right over here, it has two sections, which is my health as well as my self-care. So this is just taking time for me and to really reset and get ready for the day so that I can feel positive and energized and just feel happy. Since I know days have been tough, for me it's been a very emotional week. I won't go into too much detail, but yeah, it's just been very emotional and really hard on me. So that's why I really want to take care of myself today so that I won't be in a very foggy and sad mental state. So today I pretty much will do everything in my self-care menu, which is tea, journal, read Bible, work on a passion project, and put a face mask on. And I might go ahead actually and take a little walk outside and listen to some nice music. So let's go ahead. I love spending time in silence in the morning. It really gives me a lot of peace and clarity, especially when I feel sad or have some negative emotions. I like to clear my mind by either praying or breathing, or just even thinking about positive and loving thoughts. Now, I use my iPad for everything. I use it for my YouTube channel, for important meetings and events in my life, but I also use it to document what's happening in my life. So I use it as a journal, and I try to write in it every single day, but sometimes I don't have the time. I'm trying to work on that, but one thing I love to do is write what I'm grateful for, and journaling is amazing because you can really sort out your emotions and thoughts when you actually write it down on paper, or in this case, on my iPad. Alright, I know it's dark right now, but this is the way I like my mornings, honestly. It's just very peaceful to me. My candle smells like cookies and sugar and warmth and amazingness, so I just love it. I miss going to a spa because, you know, it's closed right now. And yeah, this is just, it makes me so happy. I also love smelling my pumpkin pie essential oil as well. It makes me feel very in the season. But anyway, now that I've done my peaceful time, I'm gonna go ahead and do a face mask today because I haven't done that in a while. So I have a bunch of face masks that I bought at this Korean store. Like I bought like 20, but it's like not very expensive as well because Koreans take good care of their skin. So I have a bunch of masks, and today, let's see, I think that I'm gonna do this one, Pearl. I've done this one before, but this one is just, I have been having a lot of like dark spots and scarring and just discoloration on my face, so I think this one will help. It contains pearl extract, and transforms dull skin clear and translucent. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this on for a little bit, chill, watch some YouTube. And what kind of mask do you guys wear? Do you wear more so like sheet masks, or do you wear clay masks? I want to know because I know that there are some really good ones out there. I have not bought that many skincare products in a while, but I want to know what's good out there in the skincare world. What's really interesting is that skincare is blowing up in the YouTube scene. And I remember when I first started YouTube, when I wasn't doing it very consistently, I was obsessed with skincare because I had acne all over my face. Like, I looked crazy. And I look crazy again. My kitty is scared of me right now. I had very bad skin, and I would always watch all these acne videos, and now, like, those videos are blowing up again on YouTube. And yeah, I mean, I just wish I started YouTube earlier so that I can talk about skincare and what worked for me and all of that, because it is such a big topic now, especially Korean skincare. No, kitty. You know, now we have like Skincare by Hiram, we have Susan Yara, Cassandra Binkson is a very like OG skincare channel, but yeah, there's just so much now, and I wish that I could have been consistent when I was younger, but I was too in my head and crazy and didn't think I could make it. So that's why. But anyway, enough of that. Alright, I know I look really crazy and my cat is literally scared of me at the moment. But yeah, this feels really good. Anyway, time to chillax and watch some YouTube.
A few moments later.
Alright. Alright everyone, my hair is still a little bit wet, as you can see, but I'm wearing a turtleneck. I love turtlenecks because it just feels very fall-like, and it's finally starting to get a little bit colder in California. Let me see what the weather is. Okay. Alright, it says that it's 60 degrees right now, and I know that's not super cold in other parts of the US, but for us, that's really beautiful, so I can't wait to go outside. Later on, I'll take you with me and we can go on a little walk together. One thing that helps me to de-stress and to feel a lot better is singing. It's always been a part of me, and even writing songs helps a lot too. I haven't been able to write a song in a long time, but singing really helps me. It like really just feeds my heart. It's a weird phrase, but it's true. So I wanted to sing this one song. I didn't learn it on guitar yet, but it's by India Ari, and I love her music so much. It's just very very soulful and very happy, positive. There's always a really beautiful message in all her music, so check her out. All right, it's such a cute song. I love it. Okay, let me just see how it goes real quick.
If you wanna know real feeling, take the time for healing. A moment in the morning for prayer.
A little for your father, a little for your mother, a little for your sister, a little for your brother, a little love for your soul will make you whole. If you're looking for protection, learn to read directions written in the depths of your soul. Remember in the noonday, sit in peace and meditate. Stillness takes you further than you know. A little for your father, a little for your mother, a little for your sister, a little for your brother, a little love for your soul will make you whole. Oh, I love it so much. Just a little love for your soul will make you whole. I love it. Love can really heal. Anyway, I sound really corny, but yeah, love can heal, and love, it can fix so much. So remember that, guys. Hey everyone, welcome to my clay studio, pretty much my desk where I formed my new passion of making clay earrings like these ones. And these ones, I love them so much. Uh-oh, did not see this coming. That scared me. One that I'm making right now is actually this one right over here. Just these little cute little rainbows. Trying to make them look a little bit more sophisticated though. Oh, but these ones are super cute. They're like little mountains. Well, trying to be like that, but that's what this one looks like. What do you think? Baby, look at my earrings.
I like them.
Yeah, they're so cute. Oh my goodness, I did not even. Oh my goodness, this is so my style too. I don't know why. I don't know what is this style called? I don't know, but I love it. Contemporary, modern. Oh, this one's one of my favorites. This one is a pink version, and this one is just a hook. So that's what it looks like. Love it. And I made, where did my rainbow ones go? Oh, here it is. Oh, this one is super cute too. These look like little orange slices. See? But my favorite one, I'd have to say, would be this one. This was my very first earrings that I made. How cute are they? And I know that this look is very in right now. It's like a bunch of rainbows, different colored rainbows. And yeah, it just looks very, I don't know, it reminds me of like a very like Instagram aesthetic with the rainbows. So this is my project that I'm doing right now, and I'm absolutely falling in love with this project that I'm doing. I'm hoping I can sell earrings. I just really want to perfect it and make it look as good as possible before I sell my earrings. I'm gonna do another giveaway. I don't know if people had actually watched my other video, but the first 3 people who comment on this video and write down what their favorite thing to do in the morning is, and also their favorite color, and subscribe to my Instagram, which I'll leave right over here, will get some of my earrings. Yeah, just let me know, and I'm so happy to create and make these for you guys, so let me know. Dear Journal, something on my mind lately has been the act of forgiveness. It's hard at times, but it can be really healing and help me grow into a more loving person. So, here are 3 benefits of forgiveness: healthier relationships and inner peace, less anxiety, hostility, and stress, improved physical, mental, and spiritual health. I hope this helps any of you out there who are either in the process of forgiving or contemplating the act of forgiveness. I wish you all love and peace. Time to water my plants, as I always do in all my videos. Oh my goodness! I just realized that my husband had cut all our lemongrass so that we can finally drink more lemongrass, and I think we're gonna go ahead and blend it up so that we can make like lemongrass powder or something like that. I'm just gonna go ahead and end the vlog here and just water my plants. Right now it's almost 12 o'clock, so it's time to probably eat lunch, and I have to start work soon. Anyway, thank you all for watching this video. It really means a lot to me, and it was a really nice morning, I'm not gonna lie to you. It was very relaxing, and I honestly like the morning, especially when I get time to myself and just time to think and relax. And I know that you guys should also make some time for yourself too. I know life can be very busy, very stressful at times, but if you really take the time to work on yourself and take care of your heart, wear a face mask, do what you have to do just to reset, I know that it can really help. So I hope that this video helped all of you and felt very cozy. It definitely was for me, so I love you all, and make sure to subscribe if you like these kind of videos as well. It really means a lot, and I will all see you guys soon. Bye everyone.